Some crawled through dust with faces marked by war, so we could paint our faces with colors of dreams. Some fixed planes under fire so we could learn to fly without fear. Some treated the wounded in war so we could treat lives in peace. Some sent signals of survival in static so we could send voices of truth across the world. Some marched in boots of sacrifice so we could march freely towards our future. They raised this flag with blood so we could raise it with pride. Some defended our land with their lives so we could live our lives in freedom. Today, Superior University pays tribute to our heroes because their courage carved the freedom in which we learn, dream, and lead the world.